In this question we have given two straight lines, that is L1 and L2, and it is given that these two straight lines are coplanar, and we are supposed to find equation of the plane which contain these two lines. Now this line I can see from this 1, -1 and 0. It passes through a point P, say -1, 1, -1 and 0, and it is parallel to say B vector, that is 2k2. Similarly this passes through a point Q, that is -1, -1, 0, -1, -1, 0, and it is parallel to, this is 5, 2, k. So this is parallel to say C vector, that is 5, 2, k. Now if lines are coplanar, then this B vector, this C vector, and this PQ vector, P lies on this line, Q lies on this line, all three vector will be coplanar. That means PQ vector, B vector, C vector box product will be 0. PQ vector means from this I'll subtract this, so I'll get PQ vector as 2, 0, 0. So in the determinant form over here it will be 2, 0, 0. B vector is 2k2 and third vector is 5, 2k. This value should be 0. If I are calculating, you will get k square is equals to 4. That will give you k is equals to ±2. Now according to this value of k, I will have equation of planes. Two equations are possible. For first equation, normal vector can be given as 2, 2, 2 cross 5, 2, 2. If I am taking k is equals to 2, it will come out to be 0, 1, 1. Similarly the other vector will be 2, -2, 2 cross 5, 2, -2. Calculate yourself, it will be 0, 1, -1. Now I've got the normal vector. Say if this is A, B, C, I can write equation of plane as ax plus by plus cz is equals to d, where d can be determined by substituting either point P or point Q in the equation of plane. That means my first plane will be plane 1 will be y plus z is equals to -1, and other option is y minus z is equals to -1, where I'm getting this 1 and 1 over here, coefficient of x should be 0, and where I'm getting this -1 by substituting any one of the points which are given on the line. Similarly over here I'll get 1 or -1 because of this x is not present, and this -1 I'll get by substituting a point which is lying on the line. Thus